Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with checks and disk part because Windows often fails when the partition table is corrupt. Once you open an elevated command prompt, type disk part and press enter. Next, list all disks with list disk and identify your USB by size. Make sure you select the correct disk to avoid data loss. You select disk X where X is the USB number. After selection, say clean to remove partitions so you can rebuild a clean layout. Once the disk is cleaned, create a primary partition and set it active if you need it bootable. You do this with Create Partition Primary and then Active. Make sure you pick the right file system for the use case: NTFS for large files, FAT32 for cross-device compatibility. Use Format FS equals NTFS Quick or Format FS equals FAT32 Quick to speed things up. After formatting, assign a letter with assign letter equals. If disk part fails or the format stalls, switch tactics. You can open disk management to reformat visually or use Rufus or a partition tool to overwrite the partition table. These tools often handle stubborn devices better. Also inspect the stick for a write protect switch and run chkdske/f to fix logical errors. If repeated format attempts and low-level tools still fail, the flash drive is likely physically damaged, and replacement is the pragmatic final option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.